Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you try to get any paid app from App Store and it's not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, let me tell you that when you tap on continue, after that guys, maybe it will ask you for the phone number verification. So just simply have to put the phone number, and after that guys, the code will be sent to your phone number and you can easily verify your phone number. Okay guys, if this isn't the case guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now open the settings first. From here you have to make sure that you're properly connected with the internet. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on general. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on software update and just simply have to update your device to the latest iOS version. Then close this page, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings, tap on your Apple ID. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to scroll it down, then tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. Let me tell you that from here you have to check for the previous purchases if you have paid all the subscription. Okay guys, from here you have to put the password, so let me put the password. So I have given the password. So from here guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to tap on subscriptions. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that if you don't have any subscription here, if you have, just simply paid for it or remove it. You can see the purchase history. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on manage payments, and also make sure that your payment method expiry date is not over, and after that go back. Again go back, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on country or region. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to change the country. So from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to change the country in which your debit or credit card is made. From here you have to wait some seconds, so let's wait guys because it's loading, so you have to be patient. And after that guys, you can see change country region, tap on that. You can see a lot of countries, and from here you have to select your country. Now after selecting the country guys, put the credentials. So let me tell you that if you have selected your country, and after that guys, you can see the terms and conditions. So guys, if you're agree, tap on agree. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. So let's wait guys, and here you have to select your payment method. So guys, if you don't want to put the payment method and want to download the free apps, then you can select your payment method at none, and from here you have to put the billing address. So just simply have to put the city name or postcode about your city. Just simply have to search a postcode about your city in the Safari browser or another browser. So you can put phone number, fake one as well. And after that tap on next, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.